Everybody, it's Harry Boxer, the Tactical Trader. It's Monday, November 9th, and these are the charts of the day. Today I'm going to look at the long side. The market's still powering ahead here, and although we're getting long in the tooth, we have been for weeks, and we continue to massage our way higher. There's a lot of good-looking stuff on the short side, but we only have time today to cover some long, so let's go. China Automotive Systems, CAAS, which has been on our top Fab 40 list for months now, continues to work its way higher. Look at today's action. It popped across the October highs, up 79 cents or 6.3%. Volume picked up to the highest level in about 2 weeks, and the stock is new multi-year highs going back about 3-4 years now. Next we have Cardtronics, CATM, which continues in a very similar rising channel. Significance is that the last few days the stock has been moving steadily higher, not getting way ahead of itself, and in a nice orderly advance with increasing technicals. DGIT has really powered ahead this week, breaking out of this left shoulder head, right shoulders head, and shoulders type bottom, powering it through with a price volume breakaway gap and surge that followed through this week, up another dollar today to 27.22. You can see on the weekly chart that that is a 6-year high going back to 2003. Looks like that one has more to go and could reach the high 20s to low 30s on a shorter term basis. Human Genome, HGSI, continues to look well. And after breaking out of this 2-month base with a price volume per surge and breakaway gap, it's formed a beautiful 4-day ascending mini wedge or pennant. Technicals look great and are improving, and if this thing tops through 28.50, it could start to spike up and move into the low 30s. Wanted to revisit Candy at this time because, well, in particular, the volume has surged the last 4 sessions while the stock has kind of moved sideways, but it's at the apex of a coil. It appears that it may want to come out of this coil and pop. If that's the case, I'm looking for a move to take us to 5+. Ocean Power, OPTT exploded today and reached 10.17 before backing off, but still up $1.10 today on 2.78 million. That's a strong volume. Looking back at the overall pattern, you'll see a 2-year base pattern coming through resistance at the neckline today, closing right at it. So this could be a powerful kind of spike up move in the next few days if momentum continues on it. PLX in a rising channel similar to CAAS and Cardtronics. Steady rising channel, broke up above key resistance a week and a half ago and has moved up steadily higher every day. Not getting too far ahead of itself. Short-term target 14. Now here's one we can't say that about. Revlon has absolutely gone ballistic from 6 to 15 in 8 days. A huge percentage move, massive volume, and up $4 today or 37%, breaking out of this mini 4-day flag that it was in on low volume. Could see additional progress, takes us up towards the 17.5 area. Short term, that would be my target on it, but it's definitely getting long in the tooth. It may need to rest and form another consolidation in this zone. Lastly, it's USEG, which I wanted to point out has been, since it broke out of the flag, has been edging slightly higher every day, but not getting ahead of itself. Now above the 10 and 21 day moving average as well as the 50, and but overhead resistance long term, going back multi-years, you'll see a 10-year base pattern that could support a huge move. The all-time high in 96 is in the mid-20s. Wouldn't surprise me if over a longer-term basis USCG did that, but from a short-term standpoint, looking for a move that takes us up to about 8.25, and beyond that around 10.5. We'll see what happens. That's it for this evening. Have a good one. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Everybody, it's Harry Boxer.